What's up, Dogecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video we're going to discuss the future, the July month of the Dogecoin. Get ready for July month. Dogecoin holders, get ready. My friends, before starting this video, before discuss more about Dogecoin, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, at this time, the latest price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.25 USD dollar. 0.25 USD dollar is the currently price of the Dogecoin. And furthermore, if you look the market cap, you can see here 24 hours trading volume. So everything is going good. Now, in the end of June, everything is going positive. Everything is start increasing, my friends. The available supply, total supply, everything is present. And my friends, you can see here, if you look the price changes of the Dogecoin, so the latest last 24 hours and last 1 week price changes is also positive in the Dogecoin. So that's mean that if the price change is negative positive in the Dogecoin, so that's mean that the price start increasing, and absolutely if the start price going to increase, so you will get profit. My friends, now at this time, my personally opinion, my personally prediction, technical analysis tells, you can see here if we do technical analysis of this price chart. So my friend, that is a resistance line, and now that is a support line. At this time the price falls down and strike here. So now from this time the price again start jumping. So my friends, my prediction, my technical analysis tells us that they will continue this pump for a long time. They will continue this pump for a long time, and there is a possibility to Dogecoin will continue a pump throughout this whole July month. I think July month is the continuously pumping month of the Dogecoin. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Dogecoin? Please also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for updates and news videos.